we're all here to offer our love and support and to stand with Mac and Dana.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be.
You learn to submit to your husband because Mac, mas malaking responsibility na binibigay sa'yo. Not just by God, but by the law as well.
Might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Home and now.
Dumating. Away mo. Hindi. Gusto lang.
Tulad mo, ano mo yung nangyari nandito lang ako para sa'yo, ups and downs.
More than your love, nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live with.
Sa alam namin the future, madadagdagan din, magkakaroon din kami ng mga pamangkin, mga ako sa pamangkin, through sa marriage ni Brian and Dan. So, basta i-keep nyo lang yung relationship nyo, center yung si God, and we wish you all the best.
Change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. The road may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now.
Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just a tilt with a kiss.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na
Best lang, the key, acceptance, and understanding that trust and respect. That's all. Thank you and God bless.
na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi.
Very happy and thankful na lahat naman ng pinangarap ko si Brian nagagawa naman.
Huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi.
Kung balikan man ang hirap,
luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong
So happy
desisyon.
lang ako kasi I've seen her journey, especially sa love life. I've seen her rock bottom and now, hindi na siya. She's a star. So congratulations to the new event.
Sa mundo, oh, eto tayo.
Sa huli,
palagi
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako.
Atin ang pangalagaan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Iwasan yung mag-away.
Magbigayan, matuto kayo, pasensya sa isa't isa.
Ano man yung galit mo kay Dana, sumpag mo sa pader sa labas. Yan ang sinag-advise ko. Hindi mo pinakasalan ng asawa mo ang si Dana para saktan mo. Kahit anong galit mo, ano.
Mamahalin naman buhay. Hindi tayo.
Hindi, ayun. Ganito man ako, pero through ups and downs, nandito ako. Ups and downs mo. And kahit sa family natin. Ayun, kahit ano mangyari, nandito lang ako, hindi ako mawawala. Love you!
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi